So one more trade is closed. This looks really good. Fine. Now. Let me change the investment for the euro half. The first investment will be $70. Let me open buy position. I have already done this. According to the chart with that we're observing right now, price is moving in the slight upgoing channel. Moreover, the current price is above two moving averages. That's why we can be sure that we're currently in the buy zone. So that's why, of course, we have opened buy position in the continuation of the current growth. Moreover, according to the RSI oscillator, the price is not overbought yet. So that's why we have enough space for the current growth. Okay, that's it. Let's wait around 15 seconds until the time runs out and we see the result of this trade. So the first trade is closed with profit and we have around $235 on the account. Now let's proceed further. By the way, today we're not going to invest our whole deposit in each trade. We will have something like a safe kind of trading. We will leave something on the deposit at each trade that will work as our hedge asset. Now let me choose the next currency pair for today's trading session. Give me several seconds, please. Let me draw for you the downgoing channel so that you can clearly see what we're going to do. As you can observe right now, price is hitting the upper edge of the downgoing channel, so that's why let me open sell position because we're expecting to receive the pullback reaction from the upper edge of this downgoing channel, and that's it. So one more trade is closed and we have around $355. Now let's proceed further. Okay, let me check out the USD. First, let's change our investment to $249. And let's check RSI. According to the RSI, we're in the sell zone right now. So let me open sell position. I have already done this. Moreover, as you can see, we are below two moving averages, which is telling us that we're also in the sell zone right now. Fine, so one more trade is closed and we have around $584 on the account. This looks really good. Okay, let's change our investment to $470 and open sell position. Once again, we have broken through two moving averages. Now we're below them. This is confirmation that we're in the sell zone. So let's wait and see what will we get. For now, everything is looking very, very good for the sell position, and we're in the sell trade right now. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, in which you'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I'll automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, while I was talking, we have closed this trade in a draw. Now let me open one more sell position, the same one absolutely, because I am like 100% sure in this trade. Down we have $1,016 on the account and we are ready to move forward. Okay, so moreover, according to chart Audi CHF, we're now reversing. The price is reversing now, so that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our $900. It's a very simple trade, my friends. Firstly, we were moving in the descending channel, which was followed by several upgoing corrections. Finally, the price once again was stopped by the support line zone, but this time this is not only just a short-term upgoing correction, but we have even broken through that downgoing trend line. So that's why I have opened buy position here, because I'm quite sure that this is the final stop of this downgoing movement, and now price will start reversing. We will see the reverse in this downgoing trend and the beginning of the next upgoing trend finally. So that's it, just several seconds left, my friends, several seconds left. And yep, this trade is close to its profit, and we have $1,691 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. Okay, so here we're moving. We have broken through the bottom line of the descending channel. We have broken through it. Now, according to this fact, we have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, so we have like enough of liquidity to continue dropping as fuck. So that's why, of course, we have invested our $1,500 in this trade, expecting the potential drop. Sure, one more trade is closed, and we have $3,071 in the account, my friends. So what can I say you today? We started with just around $50 or $60, around $200 on the account. And we have turned them into $3,000. If you want to have the same kind of results that you can do each day, that's absolutely possible. And all you need right now is just open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, link for which you can find in the description. And I will make all my best to make from you a millionaire. Be with me, be the best version of yourself. See you all, and bye bye.